Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and in this video I will be sharing another haul with you guys. And this haul comprises of so many things which I got from various brands for my nails. So let's get started. First of all, I will be sharing the stamping plates which I got for which I got. So this one is Mr. Fox LB020. There are different emoticons or emojis on this one, different letters, as well as 3 robots on this stamping plate. Next stamping plate which I have with me is Mr. Fox LB023, which has some party, or you can say birthday party themed nail designs. So here is the stamping plate. I personally loved this light design so much, and I found this design super cute along with the cute kitty cat design. Then next I have Zhoy 053 stamping plate, which is a bit different from the stamping plates which I already own. I love these kind of designs, like this tulip design, butterfly designs, this butterfly design. I mean, this is really different from this regular stamping plates which we have. So that is the reason why I bought this stamping plate. Next one is Zhoy 051, which has some amazing leaf imprints. I am in love with leaf imprints, and see how different they look. I mean, I can't wait to use this product, and I just love these little leaf imprints which will look really good on my nails. So you can see how big they are, like how big the designs are. And next one is Zhoy 024. It has some amazing floral designs. This design is really beautiful. This is an intricate design, and I wonder how it will look on my nails. This is I guess a sunflower design. Like, different designs are there on this one. They are really gorgeous. Next I have Zhoy 052, which is more like a mermaid themed stamping plate. See, just look at the cute little mermaid imprints. These are really cute, these waves, and this fish tail or mermaid tail design, this design, mermaid design, this fish tail or mermaid tail, and then this huge whale. So overall, I really find this cute. And the next one which I got is Zhoy 018. It has some letters, and it is full of cactus images. I guess, yeah, I really believe I haven't done any cactus design on my nails so far, so I'm really excited to use this design, this stamping plate. Like, I really like this one with cute little flower. Even this one, these are really cute. Next I have Zhoy 030, which has some floral, I should say. Like, these are floral designs. This one, like, it is full of floral designs, and it has few scenery designs as well. Like, this one is a scenery, and this one is cherry blossom one. So even these designs are different. I love Zhoy and Mr. Fox stamping plates because they are really beautiful and they really look good on. They will, like, the designs look really different and unique in comparison to the different stamping plates that we have. So this is the reason why I like their brand. And the next thing which I got is the set of 3 nail art brushes from Born Pretty. First of all, just look at the body of the brush. It looks really elegant. And look at the bristles of these brushes. They are really thin. I hope you guys are able to see it properly. There are different things which we can do with the help of this one. Next, I have different blooming nail polishes from Born Pretty. Different colors are there. I got different polishes from them. I guess I have these many. So in total I have 6 blooming nail polishes, apart from which I bought today. And apart from these polishes, I have so many blooming polishes. But so I guess my blooming polish collection is complete now, because I now own each and every blooming nail polish in the Born Pretty collection. Right now, after this, I would like to show you guys another product which I got from Born Pretty. Well, this is Born Pretty watercolor nail painting pen. In my last few videos, I guess I showed the different watercolor pens that I got from Born Pretty, and they were really beautiful. I just loved how they can be applied, and the different effects that these watercolor pens can create on your nails. So I got the whole collection. I have many these watercolor pens from their existing collection. So this is part 2 of my nail mail, in which I have got the whole collection of this watercolor pens as well. So there are different things which I different shades which I didn't have, and I ordered. This one is HI09. The next one is HI10. The next one is HI07. I got the second one. I already have this one, but I guess this is very, very useful because it is a transparent watercolor pen, and it is really useful in creating different effects. So I got the second piece of this HI07. I already have this. And the next thing which I the next shade is HI12, and I have bought HI05, and last but not the least from this one, HI08. Apart from these things, I got few stamping plate holders. First of all, this is for rectangular stamping plates. I think I will be reviewing it maybe after some time. Both of them are similar, and they can be used in this one is for normal stamping plate, and this one is for XL stamping plate. And I got 3 more from Major Digit only. These are holographic ones. So in total I have 4 XL stamping plate holders. 3 are holographic, and the last one is kind of has aurora shift. So these look really amazing, and I will be sharing how I will be storing my stamping plates in these holders, and well, if they work out for me or not. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. Like, and do let me know, do you like these kind of nail mail videos? Because I really haven't been transparent in sharing my product or the nail mails, because I thought that I will be judged for the fact that I am buying so many products and I am like wasting my money or something. Because yes, people who are not into nails, they kind of have this kind of thinking. So it's, I guess it's more about buying something you feel you like. So do let me know in the comment section below, as I told you, what you liked the most in this nail mail, and what do you want me to use ASAP, right? Please do comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more. I really wish you guys like this whole nail mail. I hope many nail mails will be there in the future, so I'll be sharing those with you as well. So till then, bye bye.